Welcome, in front of me is a VIVO V50, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now with that being said, you can do this kind of reset in order to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. And to get started, what you would do is just hold power button and volume up at the same time, and from the boot options select power off. When the phone turns off, hold power button and the volume up again, and immediately let go of the power button when you feel the vibration of the phone. There's the vibration. And once you see the fastbook mode, you can also let go of the volume up. Next, press volume down once, which will select recovery mode, and confirm it with the power button. In the recovery mode, we're going to select clear data and then clear all data. And we're going to confirm that we want to basically get rid of everything, which will include things like contacts, photos, basically user data and music, so on. So let's click on OK. Now at this point, it only takes a couple seconds to finish up, and once it's completed, I believe the device, at least VIVO, automatically reboots on its own, but we'll see in a second. Nope. Okay, so we get to select return, then the back arrow, and select restart, and OK. And this will now continue resetting it in the background, which will take the device about 2 minutes to finish up. Once it's completed, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.